2023 New Kove DC 400 Rally, towards the 2023 Dakar Rally and our beaches. It's undoubtedly great to see an all-new bike unveiled at EICMA's annual show in Milan every year, even if the hype is often offset by a lack of availability in the US. But this is one that was revealed at the event that will be heading our way, and soon, the Dakar Spec 450 Rally Pro and the standard 450 Rally option from new manufacturer Kove Moto. So what is the Kove Moto? This is a Chinese brand founded in 2017 and run by the CEO, Zhang Zhu, a former semi-pro MX racer who is obsessed with rally raids and wants to take the Chinese flag to the world stage. In fact, Kove Moto already has 3 factory Rally Pro bikes and Chinese pilots entered in the grueling Dakar Rally and will be competing in future editions. For those who haven't left the comments section to complain about the infiltration of Chinese brands, one of the highlights about this rally bike is that the standard version, which is currently in the process of being approved for full road legal certification. Kove Moto has been busy in its short life developing and producing a variety of road bikes, as well as 500cc adventure bikes, which until recently were sold in Asia under the kove name. Behind the scenes at the fast-growing Chongqing-based company, CEO Zhu's passion project 450 Rally has been in the works for 4 years. During an interview at EICMA, Zhu made his intentions clear. He not only wanted to build a machine that would be competitive in the Dakar and other notoriously difficult rally events, he wanted to make such a bike available to every rider. And being a motocross rider himself, he was heavily involved throughout the development process as well as in prototype testing. Rally Pro certainly looks like it, and in a recent promotional video it seems to be going well too. Power is supplied by a specially prepared Zhongsheng 449cc, liquid-cooled single which is claimed to be capable of spitting out 54 horsepower and 31 feet-pounds of torque. The standard version will offer slightly less population, 52 bangs and 29 feet-pounds of torque. It also offers a 38-inch seat height option, same as the Pro, as well as allow a 36-inch seat height option. The Pro model will come with all the Dakar-friendly goodies like Scott's steering stabilizer and a carbon navigation tower to accommodate the roadbook, while the R will come with a more standard digital display. Dry weight for both versions is listed at 320 pounds. The bike is equipped with 3 fuel tanks for a combined 8-gallon capacity, offering a claimed and listed 300-mile range as it features 12 inches of front and rear travel, while the low seat R offers 10 inches. Wheels are the expected 21/18 combo, brakes are listed as Nissan single discs for both front and rear and the recommended service interval is 5,000 plus miles. According to USA Motor Toys, the first demo bikes are on track to be shipped this month, with the bulk of the first shipments arriving in the United States sometime in May 2023. All of those first arrivals, 70 rally models in total, will be designated use-only competition. With current units it is being tested for road use approval in US government labs. USA Motor Toys says if all goes well they expect a full road legal version to land at 71 dealerships GPX Moto in the fall. And yes, it is true that KTM replicas and other top brands rally replicas have proven themselves on the Dakar and are sold in very limited quantities, but still, the idea of having a no-cap rally bike for less than $15,000 will appeal to a lot of people. Especially if it's a bike that can compete and survive the toughest rallies on earth. We won't have to wait long to find out. But make sure to mark your calendars because the lowering of the flag in Saudi Arabia this year will come a little earlier, December 31st.